I'm the Predictator, better known as TPT Concepts. Today is January 28th, 2026. Time is now 1:57 p.m. We have news at 2 and 2:30. I'm trading FOMC today, some ETFs. But before we get into that, let's get a word from Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Today's word comes from Psalm 91, verse 4, and it reads, He will cover you with his feathers, he will shelter you with his wings. His faithful promises are your armor and protection. That is Psalm chapter 91, verse 4. And I'll read it again, gang. He will cover you with his feathers. He will shelter you with his wings. His faithful promises are your armor and protection. That's Psalm 91, verse 4. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, gang, we should get some volatility here with this FOMC today. That's why I want to trade it. I'll be honest, I was doing a video earlier and it kind of cut off on me. So I already started my top line analysis right here for SPY. I'll show you guys real quick. Okay. I'll take some buys above this level here. All right. And some sells. Really, I'm not really looking for sales. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah. I'm just gonna switch forward for me. Yeah. You see, even when you go to smaller time frames, we're just trading off probabilities. Close your above, push up, support, push up. All right, we push up. Right. Yeah, we have been pretty well price push down, but not really clean price action. So, hmm. All right, let's go to IWM. Start on the daily time frame. The previous daily candle closed bullish. You see here with little to no top wick. So that's why you had this candle come up, give it a top wick, and then we'll push it back down. Let's go down to the 1 hour, see if we can get some levels. We have also made a support here. Nice clean candle coming up. All right, got a support here. All right, got this resistance all the way up here. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm not really looking for any sell, I'll be honest. Let's go down to the 30 minute. Okay. To be honest, gang, I think I'm about to go long IWM if it breaks this high on the 30. Let's see if we can continue up here. It'll be a teaser position. See here, IWM. Yeah, if it break these highs, you can see what price does when they get in this range. Pushes up, pushes up. All right. All right, it's 201. Let's see what the market wants to do, guys. Okay, so something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Take those highs coming up. Short C sells, I'm good. I got a support here. I'm straight. I'm okay with those. And gang, if you hear my son in a minute, it's because he woke up. Uh, my wife said she would get him at 2. It's 2 o'clock. She's not down here, so it's just me. All right. Yeah, can we break these highs? I may be interested in a teaser long position on IWM. Let's see what SPY is doing. Oh, that's IBIT. Hold on. All right, SPY kind of came down. Yeah, gang, if price closed below the support, I still won't take the breakout trade. I will definitely have to wait for price to come back and retest. So something like that. Okay, as far as IWM, this 30-minute candle just open. Look like it's coming back and retest this support level. So if this candle comes down and you see retest this support right here, this support level here, and all here, I want to see a price want to push up. Okay. So I will enter the break of these highs. And this is what I would consider a teaser position, so it's not my full risk. All right, my full risk would be price hitting this advantage point here and then coming back to retest. I am bullish due to the previous daily candle closure. All right, probably trade from like 2 to about 330, 3. All right, let's head to. All right, this is the window I want to trade in right here. All right, so this is what I have here for IWM. Okay. Get that. Alrighty. Alrighty. Look like prices doing what FOMC does. And again, we break these 30-minute highs. I will be in a long position coming up here on IWM. And as far as SPY, need to close it above here to take my buys coming back up. Because again, we are retesting support down here at these levels. Okay, let's go to IBIT. So on the daily on IBIT, previous daily candle closed bullish as well. Go down to the 1 hour, get some ranges. All right, we've kind of been moving sideways here on IBIT. We got a support that we are approaching and a resistance. We're kind of trading in this range here. Let's go down to the 30. All right, 15. Okay, so, okay. So we're really just waiting here. All right. That game. So I'll be willing to take something like this. Or from simple break and retest of this range here. Yeah, my trading you be tweaking, guy. Okay. I'll take some this over here. All right. Let's see. IWM. Okay, gang. Let's see what we got here. Time is now 2:10. Yeah, and again, we break these highs. I will be in the long here on IWM. Private trying to come back into the range as well. And again, gang, I'm just going based off what price has done in the past. We here, 30 minute. Okay, gang, let's see if we can get price to push up here. First teaser of the day. Make sure I get a picture of it, trying to push up to this advantage point. Let's see. Okay, gang, we either get a push up here. Let's get a picture. We got our closure, a retest, because we got sellers to close above the range as well. So Let's see if we can get price to push up, hit this advantage point. All right, full TP somewhere up in here. Okay, something like that. Let me get a picture of this real quick. Let's see, IBIT coming down, SPY still in the range. Let's see if we can get IWM to push up, yeah. Right. Two. Yeah, stop loss probably right up in here. All right. Keep it below these supports. All right, gang, let's see if we can push up. You make sure you journal all your trades, have the entry, and then whatever happens. All right. I was bullish on IWM, looking for longs. Everything was marked up. So, to me, whatever this trade do is still a plus trade to me. I did everything I was supposed to do. Okay. Let's see here. All right. And again, gang, I'm just going off what price has done in the past when it got up in this range. You see that it pushed up here. My bad, my trading view, gang. It pushed up here, 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 even here. So we're just trading probabilities, gang. You're not, you know what I mean? So don't take it personal. We can't take these trades and stuff personal. But we do want IWM to push up. I will be honest, gang. All right. Let's push up, baby. We got a 15-minute support here. All right. And thank you guys again for watching the content. Greatly appreciate it. Like and subscribe. All right, SPY kind of in that range. IBIT, on the other hand, kind of closed below. Let's see. All right, IWM made a support on the 15. Again, we have a wick to fill and nice clean candles coming up in this range. So I'll take this trade again and again. And as long as you'll take the trade over and over, it's a good trade, guy. All right. What time did I take it? Around two, let's see, about 2 o'clock. I took this off at 30. Not that. And again, gang, this trade right here is a teaser just to see if the market want to push up. All right. Never go full risk on your first trade or any trade to if you're just trying to see if you're getting direction correct. You know what I mean? All right, gang, I am working on holding my trades, and that's why I created this channel, like I told you guys, to sharpen up my skills. All right, so let's see if we can get a push up, guy. And again, gang, I would not suggest that you trade news. All right, like I highly recommend. But today I am trying something. I want to see, you know, what price can do this. My first time trading FOMC, so just curious to see how it plays out. These buyers, they're trying to fight. You see here, it made a support, stepped in, still closed. The sellers closed above this range, so I got in to break it at high, trying to see if we want to keep pushing up in this range. All right, so let's see what price does, gang. If not, we'll be patient, see if we can find another teaser, and then potentially load up. All right, here on SPY, pretty much nothing. As far as IBIT, let's see on the 15, trying to get back in this range on IBIT. Okay. And IWM, we did make a support on the 15. So I want to see if these buyers want to step in and keep on pushing up. All right. So let's be patient, gang, and just wait on price action. The time is now 2:21. Jerome Powell should be speaking at around 2:30. So that's probably when the market will make a move.
given the
Let's
cacophony
see.
of our American politics and all.
Okay, guys, let's see what price want to do. Okay, gang. We still in this teaser on IWM. Got a vantage point. Seller stepped down real strong today. I do have a bullish bias though because of the previous daily candle closure. When we see here at these levels, all right, when price make a support, we push up, especially when we get back inside of this range. So that's the trade I'm in now currently. I want to see a price want to hit this advantage point and potentially just take profit level up here. All right, we got 6 minutes until Jerome Powell starts talking, so I definitely better have my hand on the order because the market could go crazy. All right. Yeah. And while my son is waking up as we speak, as I'm in the trade, my baby boy is waking up. My beautiful baby boy. Alrighty. Let me call his mama. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this 15 minute on IBIT, because I might think about a long position on IBIT as well. Let's see here. Okay, I did think I was gonna get a push up before 2:30. I got my boy with me. Ah, come on, push up. IWM. Dang, this next candle is going to be freaking bonkers, okay? So, viewer discretion is advised. No, Cam. This is about to get crazy. Y'all hear me? Let's see what's going on here. All right. We're trading above the 5 and we're creeping above the 20. So, that's giving me a little bit more confidence to stay in this long position. But, gang, it's about to get crazy. In about 3 minutes, when Jerome Powell come up to that microphone. Oh, man. Either price finna. Oh, man. This is my first time trading FOMC game, but I thought I should do it for you too. You know what I mean? Have a little fun with it. Oh man. You know what? I might target this is here. See if we can get here, man. We've broken the high of the previous candle more than once. So, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sure you guys can hear him now in the back. Hey, Puda. Hey, hey. Daddy long IWM. Mm-hmm. Trying to see if we get a market to push up. You know, we broke the high again, gang. So I don't, you know, just be patient. We have an advantage point and a full TP probably right up in these areas here. Yeah, that'll be the trade. What you see right here? All right, we pumping the last minute of this 30 minute. Let's see. Okay, gang, it's about to get crazy. Look, son trying to pull my AirPod. I'm in the trade. I don't text my wife two, three times. She not coming down. Oh man, gotta love it. Yeah, put her. All right, let's see. We're gonna show support here on the 30. Okay, gang, I got out of it. I got out of this. I got out of it, gang. Let's see how this news play out. I may hop back in. Yeah, I got out of that. Yeah. Let's see here. I want to say break even. Let me see. Yes, sir. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Let's be patient. Wait for another move. It's all good. All right. To be honest, I think I'm about to hop back in this long. Oh wow. Price came up. Wow. I'm about to be long IBIT. Let's see. Okay, guys. So IWM did come up and hit my vantage point. Okay. The price break these highs on IBIT, I may enter along here. Alrighty, so that IWM trade did work out. It did hit the advantage point, but come on, again, we got to close all the way down there. I had to get out of it. Glad to know that our analysis was correct. All right, and again, I am trading with my son. Oh man. Um, as far as IBIT, okay. Yeah, that was a good move on IWM, but again, the market could have went in either direction, so you got to stay mindful of that. All right, let's see here. What I'm seeing here on the 5, though, is I do have plain candles coming up. You see, price smashed through my stop loss, so had to get out of that. Let's see. Okay, not really much of nothing. Iron price wicked above the range and came back down. It would have been a good long. Probably should have waited. Let's see here. 15, got about 10 minutes for this candle to close. This 5 minute candle about to close in less than 1 minute. It's rejecting. Um, it was just small loss here on IWM because I didn't know what direction news would go. So I had to get out of the trade when my wife is here to take the boy. Um, so let's see. Okay. I do want to price want to fill this wick that it just created. I may go long IWM again. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Um, all right, IBIT look like it's there. Let's be live. Let's see. Trying to give news a chance to digest here. But yeah, I wouldn't mind trying to see if price want to fill this wick and continue to push up to these levels here. Because that's a nice bottom wick that price is creating here on the 5. Let's see. Yeah, my stop loss will probably be right in here. If I was getting to this trade. Oh. Yeah, that was a good long. That was definitely a good long. Price rejected the top of the range and pulled back. Time is now 2:38 p.m. Let's be patient here. And getting gained the same way the market went that way, could have went that way. So that's why I got out of it. Still may re-enter long if we break these highs. I want to see if we feel this wick. We got plain traffic coming up here to the left, so again, now just gotta be patient here. You know what, guy? Oh shit. Oh wow. I'm glad I did get out of that. Okay, again, this kind of gave us a nice bottom wick, so we break these highs up in here. Probably be long again. See if we can feel this wick coming up. Shit, this is IWM. Mm, You know what? I might hop into this teaser short IBIT. Just broke these lows with a wick to feel them nice clean candles coming down. Shit. Oh, wait. No, it's 245, man. 245. Show you got the support here. Yeah, again, I just want to see a price fill this wick, to be honest. Let's see, so this is IWM. Okay, again, I'm back long. I want to see if we can fill this wick. If we did leave a wick to fill. Alrighty, vantage point somewhere up in these areas. And IBIT, SPY, the church. Let me see here. Yeah, I may go long SPY as well. Let me see. Okay, gang. I am thinking about going long here on SPY as well. Yeah, okay. I went long about this support. Stop loss down in here. See if we can get a push up. Same here with IWM. And this will be it for the day. Shit. All right. We're trying to push up to hit this advantage point. Shit, crossing. Only one. All right. We'll take a picture of this. All right. All right, look like we are approaching the advantage point here on IWM. Let's see what's going on with SPY. All right, SPY, my advantage point would be this wick fill right here. All right. All right, let's see if price can push up a little bit further, hit this advantage point, take a little profit here. All right, good trade, gang, good trade. A little bit more. Okay. Let's see why I started to push up. Now it's trying to pull back. I just want to see if we can get this wick fill, gang. All right. All right, got a nice stop loss here for uh time is now 250. Hopefully we get this power hour push, gang. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember I used to open up on two different things. Come on, come on. My internet moving slow. It's all good. We attempted to fill the wick, gang. Price. All right, yeah, we want to see price ultimately push up at least to these areas if we can. Vantage point at the wick fill, you know. Um, IWM, look, I'm trying to fill that wick as well. Let's see if we can get to this advantage point. Almost there, gang. And again, we're working on holding our trades. The reason we got out the one earlier because, gang, that was news. Thought we would get a push before Jerome come on the thing, but we did not. So IWM, I'm taking a little profit here. Let's see. Taking a little profit on IWM. I thought of there. Good trade. Take a picture of that. What is SPY doing? Okay, we're starting to push up a little bit as well. Okay. Probably take some profit at that wick fill. Come on, SPY. Push up, baby. Go that way. My boy up there screaming, man. He up there screaming at his mom. Uh, All right, IWM, good trade, gang, great trade. I think I got this picture. I believe so. Here go the trading plan we had drawn out. Alrighty, let's see. Let's take a picture of this. Wow. Hold on, let me draw this out better. Alrighty, gang. Great trading there. Put that over there. Alrighty, SPY. Doesn't look like it want to fill the wick. Come on, SPY. Push up, baby. We got 5 minutes for this 15-minute counter to close. We want to close you above this range because that's when price pushes up. Sellers and buyers are squabbling, gang. They squabbling at this resistance level. You see it? Come on, buyers. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on. IWM. Okay, back a little bit. I'm working on holding my trades, gang, until what I had planned happen. So you have to be willing to lose some profits when I do this. And that is okay. Because I want a wick fill. All right. And then Python give me the wick fill. Hey, a little over 4 minutes for this counter to close. All right. Price, we tried to fill the wick multiple times. Could not get there. Uh, come on, SPY. Let's get there, baby. Oh wow, IBIT. Rather strong. Hmm. Let's see here. Hold on a second. We'll see when we get above these levels here. We could potentially push on up. Hmm. Nice advantage point. All right, guys. Let's see here. No, SPY. SPY is pulling back. Not what we wanted to see, gang. But as long as this 30-minute candle closes bullish and we make a support, we have a chance of pushing up. So, got about 3 minutes here. I'll just be patient. Same here with IWM. I took some profits up here. It was a good trade. IBIT about to make a support on this 15 and a 30. I may be thinking about long entries on IBIT. Gotta be patient. And the SPY is pulling all the way back. Okay. I may get out of this with a. Oh no, we're making a support on the 30. I'm not gonna. I'll be patient. IWM, I took my profits on that. I'm done with that for the day. I do want to see a price on the field this week on the 30 gang and potentially come up here to hit these areas up here to the left. You see, we're priced down here in the past. All right. We're making a support where price pushed up. So making a support, I'm gonna hold it out. No matter how much everything inside of me want to get out of the trade, I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it, gotta hold it. And as far as IBIT gang, I am about to go long on yes, sir. The breaker. Yes, sir. I might need a bottom whip for a stop loss because this support down here is huge, right? Let's see. Yeah. Let's see, man. Oh, we did get a bottom wick on the 5 minute. All right, hold on, guy. I'm about to enter a long position here on IBIT. The break of those highs. And this would be my last trade for the day. All right. If we break these highs here. Oh, the 15 minute rejected. Oh, SPY rejected as well. 30 minute. Oh, Not, it's making a support, but it's rejecting. Hmm. Wow. 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 Huh. Wow. Okay. Okay. Sheesh. Whoa. Alrighty, gang. That was unexpected. All right, we're gonna, I guess, try to fill this wick again. Alrighty. Here on Ibit. Hmm. Okay. Let's see if SPY want to fill this wick, gang. We tried here, rejected, coming back up. Same here with Ibit. Let's see. 3 minute candle closing in less than 2 minutes. 15 minute made a support. Alright. Alright, SPY pushing up. Ibit. Let's say we break these 15 minute highs. This 3 minute candle closing in less than 1 minute. And if it makes support, I may buy off of it. Because when we get in this range, we push up. See if they want to squeeze sellers. Let's see here. And as far as SPY, we are attempting to fill this wick again. We're attempting to fill this wick again. And price does not quite want to do it. And as far as IBIT, sellers did get weak. This 3 minute made a support above this range. So price get above here, guy. I'll be honest, I want to be a buyer here on IBIT. My stop loss will probably be right up in here. And we'll target these areas up in here. Okay. All right, here on SPY, we got a strong support closure above on the 3 minute. And again, that's pretty much the break of the 15 minute high as well. Yeah, let's see if we can get a wick fill, gang. And like I said before, you will have to lose some profits to see if your trade work out. I mean, it is what it is, because clearly this trade was in profit. Drawdown, profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown. So let me see. Okay, okay, gang. SPY just seemed like it. 1 hour is clearly bullish, gang. 30 minute made a support. 15 minute made a support and a higher low. Oh man, I want to get that wick fill, gang. And here on IBIT, I gotta go long. The price break those highs. All right, it'll be a break of the 15 minute, break of the 30 minute. All right, see if we can continue to push up. Okay, and it's buying pretty much off a support level. All right, you see what happens when we get up in this range? We get a push up. So, okay, this 5 minute candle just open. A nice celery play. So price break these highs, I will be long. Okay, pretty much buying off of the support on the 5 minute. And this will be my last trade, SPY. Price is trying to fill the wick, but oh man, it don't want to go. Okay, back to IBIT. 5 minute made a support. Okay, let's see here. Bitcoin. All right, I want to get filled a break of these highs at 50.78. See if we can push up to here and potentially this area right up in here. That'll be the trade. Okay, gang. SPY. Still trying to fill that wick, gang. All right, IBIT. 5 minute. We're approaching. We're approaching. Again, the break of these highs, I am in there. Okay. I want to see if they want to squeeze sellers right now and push up and retest this resistance right here. Okay. Because we see what happened last time in this area, right over here to the left. Price kind of faked down below, made a support, and then pushed up. So I kind of want to see if price want to do that again. And SPY, we are rejecting. Baby girl don't want to push up today. She just don't want to do it. Huh. Baby girl just don't want to push up today. Oh man. You just don't want to push up. Come on, baby. Feel that way. market trying to pull back in the range. So that's be why. Oh man, SPY messing with me today. Messing with me today. All right, let's keep pushing, push, 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 push. Come on, fill the wick. All right, we filled the previous kind of wick, guy. Let's see what's going on here on the IBIT. Oh wow, okay, guy. Hold on a second. There's 3 minutes. We really want to take a buy above these highs because I want to see if price want to continue to push up. I'll be honest. All right. All right, price up there, guy. You know what? I'm gonna take some profits here on SPY. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom. Jeez. There we go. Get a picture of this. Wow. All right. And again, you see why it's okay to take a loss on the first teaser? Because it gets you ready, guy. All right. Let's take a picture of this real quick. Boom. All righty. Let's go to IBIT, gang. I want to say, and you see how sellers closed above? Okay. So price break these highs. I'm gonna be long on IBIT. All right, price almost there, gang. All right, good trade here on SPY. Great trade, great trade. Good trade early on IWM as well, gang. All right. The point of the teaser is, you know what I mean, to see what direction the market is moving. All right. So IBIT don't look like you wanna keep pushing up, gang. Made a support on the 15, 30-minute tweaking. At SPY, we finally got a wick fill, and now it's rejecting it. That's why I took some profits up here. All right, overall good trade. Mm, let's see. Oh yeah, this IWM trade. I forgot I took that trade. All right, and I took this trade. Okay. Did I? All right. All righty, gang. That was a good session. It's 3:12. I'll probably call it a day. Hybrid don't look like you want to push up. All right. Caught this wick fill on SPY. Nice wick fill. All right. Price could reject and come back down. Good trading on that. And as far as IWM, price never came to fill this wick, gang. You see? But we took our harvest at that advantage point. So overall, great trading day. All right. We took what, three trades today? One teaser, couple of teasers. All right. Great trading day, gang. Great trading day. I am the Prather Trader. Thank you guys again for all the support. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, and I took a position on UJ earlier. I'm trying to see if I can find it. Let's see what the market doing. Yeah, again, the market made a quick move here, kind of pulled back. Same here with IBIT, IWM. Yeah, nice move coming up here. Let's see. Let me see if I could. All right, here go the trade I took earlier on UJ. I'll break it down to you guys. All right. Okay, again, here's UJ from earlier. As you see, what price did in this area here to the left, closed above it, pushed up. So we got a closure above, but I did not take the first breakout because you see price came back and created a seller replay, which is pretty much squeezing sellers. All right. I'm sure people went short on this resistance. Wait for support to close, and you enter to break those highs like we just did on SPY and IWM and yeah, and IBIT. Well, we didn't trade in IBIT today. Okay. But this is the trade on UJ. All right. Overall, good trading game. Way to stay fluent in the markets. All right. Look at her. Look what SPY doing. Hit the advantage point, start pushing back down. So I'll call it a day. I will be back tomorrow, gang, from 9. Wow. Hold on. Hold on, gang. I'm long IBIT. Yeah, I'm long IBIT. Let's see. I'm gonna let it go. Wow, that's what we were waiting on. Wow. Let's see how this plays out. I wonder how this plays out, gang. Wow. Wow. Stop loss right here. Stop loss. Remember, I wanted to get in the break of these highs. And it's not too late, gang, but I've done enough trading today. All right. Targeting this area right up in here. Wow. I wonder if price actually push out. Wow, trading view be tweaking, bro. You see this? Beautiful. Beautiful how much it tweaks. But yeah, you see this area right here? All right. This is why I want to be a buyer up here. All right. See if price want to continue pushing up. It's 316 though, so I won't enter another position, but I'm just curious to see if price want to continue to push up here. So I'll leave that position on. Probably get back to you guys tomorrow on how that played out. Thank you guys again for all the support. Greatly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. All right, and God bless.